Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022. Ivadan, Buehler, and Migro establish pilot plant for cultured meat.
The International Feed Industry Federation IFIF elects new chairman and board of directors for 2022 to 2023.
Caption News, yet another successful installation and commissioning.
Inauguration of pavilion at Dubai Expo. Commerce Minister asked expatriates to invest.
Meet the press to ensure availability of affordable eggs, milk, fish and meat. Stop soybean meal exports.
China needs soybeans so much, but why not increase its own production?
CP Kelco extends distribution relationship with Azelis in Australia and New Zealand.
Murphy ends time at council, Stevenson comes aboard.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Tech is 10-pull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.